My name is Joe, and I help people understand ultrasound physics and pass the SPI exam. Waves divide into two types, the electromagnetic waves and the mechanical waves. Electromagnetic wave can travel in medium and vacuum. Mechanical wave travel only on medium. Example of electromagnetic wave is heat, light, X-ray, gamma ray, and TV signals. Mechanical wave divide into longitudinal wave and transverse wave. Sound wave is not a transverse wave. Sound wave is a longitudinal wave. Example of a longitudinal wave is the sound wave. The sound wave, there is three types of sound wave. There is an infrasound, an audible sound, and ultrasound. The only sound that we can hear it is the audible sound. The ultrasound and the infrasound, we cannot hear it. So what's the difference between the three types? The only difference is the frequency. The audible sound is any sound wave that range between 20 hertz and 20 kilohertz. The infrasound is a sound wave which have a frequency of less than 20 hertz, and the ultrasound any sound wave that is more than 20 kilohertz. Can we use any ultrasound for diagnostic imaging? No. Diagnostic ultrasound range between 2 megahertz up to 15 megahertz. Megahertz equal to 1 million hertz. Kilohertz equal to 1000 hertz. From here we can say that the sound wave is a longitudinal wave, it needs a medium, and it is a mechanical wave. So in diagnostic imaging we use 2 megahertz to 15 megahertz, and it is an ultrasound that we cannot hear it. Longitudinal wave. On the difference between the longitudinal wave and the transverse wave is the direction of the particle movement. On longitudinal wave, the particle motion is parallel to the traveling direction. For example, if we have a wave which is traveling on this direction, the particle motion will be on this direction. The direction of the particle motion is parallel to the traveling motion direction. Now we'll talk about the transverse wave. For the transverse wave, the particle motion are perpendicular to the traveling direction. If we have a wave traveling in this direction, the particle motion will move in this direction. If we have a wave which is traveling vertically, like that, from up to down, the particle motion will be in this direction. If we have a horizontal wave direction, we will have a vertical particle motion. If we have a vertical wave direction, we will have a horizontal particle motion. This is a difference between the transverse wave and the longitudinal wave. As you see, the longitudinal wave, the particle motion is on the same direction as the traveling direction or the propagation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.